Hi everyone, welcome to AJ Starlit Nation. So today I'm going to be doing fun places to use Phantom Howl potions on Animal Jam Part 2. But before we start, I just want to let you all know that there are so many more places to use these potions than what I am talking about in this video. I'm just mainly showing you all the really weird places to drop them. So let's get started. Here's how to get them. So what you need to do to get Phantom Howl potions is go into a Phantom portal. You can get them in the Sapphire shop, and it leads you to the Phantom dimension. And here's the little shop here. We need the Phantom Howl potion. So there it is. Here are all the other items you can get in the shop. And yeah. And so we need more Phantom tokens. So to get Phantom tokens, you can just defeat Phantoms. And that's all you have to do. And you need paint seeds to defeat them. You can also get paint seeds at the Sapphire shop. So now after 5 minutes of defeating Phantoms, I have enough tokens to buy the Phantom Howl potion. I just banged my hand into something by accident. Alright, now let's go back to the world of Jama. So here's how you use the potion. Okay, so now we are in Apandale, and you see that tiny little door right there? Not that door, but that door. That leads to a special tiny little place, and you need to use a shrink potion to go inside there. So I'm going to use a shrink potion, go inside, and see if I can drop a Phantom Howl potion in there. And since I need to be small to go inside, I want to see if the Phantom is going to be big or small when I summon the Phantom with the Phantom Howl potion. So, I'm not sure if I made much sense, but here's a photo of me in the Phantom dimension in the exact same spot, and the Phantom in front of the little door is all tiny. So, I'm not sure if when I drop the Phantom in there, if the Phantom is going to be really small. I really hope that makes sense. So, now I'm going to use a shrink potion! Yay! Oh, my buddy is here! Shout out to Princess Aurora 1772. Alright, let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, this is so cute! This secret little place. Oh, it's called Tiny Shop. Look at these little chairs! Oh my gosh! I'm sitting down with my egg. My egg is bigger than I am. Look at all the stuff you could get in the Tiny Shop. It's so cute. Okay, so the moment you all have been waiting for. We're going to do the Phantom Howl potion. We're going to see if the Phantom is big or small. The Phantom is huge! But anyway, for those who've never seen a Phantom Howl potion before, this is basically what it is, and you have to defeat the Phantom. And you can also get really cool prizes from them, but on this place, this tiny shop, there's this really cool glitch when the Phantom pushes you away. You go through the tree and there's this black void. I want to show you all when that happens. I want to point it out to you. Any minute now. There it goes. You see? It's like there's no roots in the tree or anything. It's just floating in this black void. I got goat horns from defeating the Phantom. I never got that before. So the next place we're going to drop a Phantom is in the formal ballroom party. And this place I've actually never done before, but I've kind of always wanted to. So yeah, we're going to do that right now. So we're going to go up the stairs here, and we're going to do it with a fun glitch. We're going to go back and forth on this table, and as you go back and forth, your animal starts to float up. And then, as you can see, there was no ceiling, no roof, literally nothing. It's just a black void again. These black voids. Okay, so now it just looks like I'm floating, but I am actually moving back and forth. It's just the animal is it's just cruising. It's just floating up, but I am making it go up. It's not just doing it by itself. I really hope I'm making sense, but now you can dance in the sky. You're just having a grand old time. Okay, so now we're going to see if the Phantom is going to be a fail or if it's going to stay there. Bam! Okay, so now we're going to go up again. So now we're going to see if it'll let me defeat it from down here or if I have to go all the way up there again. I think it's best if I go up again. I'll let you know when I'm up. Okay, so I am most definitely up here. So now we're going to see if it lets me defeat it from up here. Will it make me go back down? It made me go back down. These glitches are definitely not practical, but I really love doing these fun glitches and seeing what happens. Someone said it's gone. Okay, I gotta see for myself. So the Phantom actually left. It just peaced out. It's gone. So yeah. Okay, so lesson learned. Never drop a Phantom in the formal ballroom party ceiling. And shout out to my buddy Bumblebee18. So the next place we're going is going to be in Den Depot, and very few people drop phantoms here, but it's like so spacious, it's so nice, it's so pretty. So we're going to do it right here. This may not be the most practical place to drop phantoms because not many people go over here. I really encourage more people to come here and hang out, but yeah, not many people hang out here. So there's not going to be much help defeating the Phantom, but that's okay. Even if it's not practical, we're throwing the practicality out the window. I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, what's the prize? Snowy Rock Chair. Fun. On to the next place. So the final place is in the lost temple of Zeus. So I'm changing into a bird and flying up and above the crafting lab building, and now I'm going to change it to a land animal. And now we are inside the crafting lab, but yet we are still considered in the lost temple of Zeus. So now I'm going to I'm going to use my Phantom Howl potion inside. Bam! Now I just went through the wall, but you can't really defeat the Phantom through the wall. You kind of have to go over here where the door is wide open, and you just defeat the Phantom right there. And when the Phantom pushes you away, you can see the Phantom. It's so funny. Okay, what's my prize? Oh, how fun! Okay, looks like I gotta recycle something. So I recycled something I had 2 of so I could get this prize. So that is it for today, everyone. I really hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you all next time. Almost. First I gotta collect all these paint seeds. Okay, bye-bye! And shout out to my buddy Crayon Falcon 20.